Great, guys, good to have you here. Now, if you're watching this video, you're very fortunate. You know why? Because I have had this challenge over the years, and today I have solution I'm giving to you free of charge. You don't have to pay for that. All right, this is it. Have you ever wondered how to use your WAV file inside Pro Tools? Now, this is because when you get to use Fruity Loops, you realize that you have some very lovely samples that have the extension wave. Okay, now you can use them in Fruity Loops. Some kicks, some very lovely hi-hat, snare and the likes. So I had a job recently, and I needed a snare, very unique one, I needed to use inside this project. And I was wondering how I was going to do this. Now, until I found out a very free plugin, okay, that can help you. Okay, you can get that into your Pro Tools, and from that you will realize that you can have your wave file, whatever beat it is, kick, snare, even an instrument, play directly from your keyboard, your MIDI keyboard now in your Pro Tools, and then you have it done. Now just check it out quickly and see how this is done. Now look at this project that I have in front of me right here. You would see that in this project I have a lot of channels. Okay, now I wanted a snare definitely from one of the samples that I have inside my a wave file. It's a sample, it's a wave sample. Now here it is. You can see this very channel here. So what I did was to download this software, which I'm going to also give to you. It is Sforzando. You can see the name here, Sforzando. All right, now let me open it up for you. Now this is how it looks like. Okay, I have it underneath. The link is underneath, so you can just click and download it for free. It's actually a free software. I was able to, from this very software, of course it has an AX extension which you can see in Pro Tools. So once you bring it in to your channel like this, like you click on it, you go to your instrument, you can just look for it, and you see it's Sforzando. You can look at it here. Okay, it's an instrument, so you take it in as a stereo. Now it comes in on your channel like this, and you open, and then you can decide to go to where this instrument is here. You click on it, you can import. Once you say import, it takes you straight into your system. Of course, where you have your waves, okay, any wave at all, while producing your song, okay, and then your MIDI keyboard would definitely be able to read it, and then you play. For example, I have this crash sound here, and then I put it into my project. You can see it's right here, and it's working straight ahead. I even have this tanko sample. You can see another channel where I used it again. I have this Udu sample. Okay, I also used it on this channel, and it worked excellently. You can see Udu closed a lot of fat, just very simple. This software is right underneath this video, so you can click and download for free. I have the link. Okay, so now you can use all of your wave files. You can see wave. These are some of the wave files I have used in my project recently. You can see this crash, 808 crash, chimes down, chimes. These are waves format. To be honest, you can bring them in, and then of course your MIDI keyboard now can right away play these instruments, and then that's just it. Okay, congratulations to you because you have found something very useful. Okay, all right guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe so others can believe that truly you enjoyed the privilege of watching this video. Thank you guys for being part of this, and be your best.